got a lesson this morning?
Yeah.
Look at that for myself.
Early AM on a Saturday, and I'm out working. No big deal. Prime example of perfect use to an electric skateboard. Can't park near the crane, so I gotta park away from it, and then I gotta get over near it to try to get at least a couple shots with the point and shoot. Could definitely be riding it over there. Well, I don't think you can be much more sneaky than that. I'm a good ways away from the place. I had to move because there were some gangsters that was checking me out. Like, they parked like right next to me, and then they started blaring the music and they started staring at me. Not gonna lie, a little nervous, and I didn't want to put a drone in the air and then have a problem. But who knows? They could have been doing whatever, but it just made me a little uncomfortable, so I had to move. So I moved to this Marriott, which is further away, but I did it anyways and took off and went. We're really close to the airport. The airport is just right over there, but I'm outside of the no-fly zone, so it's still safe to fly. So went over there and filmed, came back, and I actually got to watch a plane land. That was cool. But if anybody was curious, you're gonna see the airport and you're like, oh my god! I was okay to fly. I was outside of the red circle. We're good to go. I made the news. Here's their website. This is my picture that I took, and there is me. It's pretty cool.
But if you want to go down by the fence, we can go down right by the net down there.
Oh, that's fine.
I have no problem going down there.
Well, playtime is over. I didn't vlog while I was there, but I shot some footage. I just didn't communicate. Went to the driving range with my grandfather, had some fun. I haven't gone in like 4 months. I haven't hit a golf ball in like 4 months. And I hit probably the best shots I've ever hit in my life. But besides that, I think today has to be the day. It's insanely embarrassing. I had to take a pit stop. I had to run to the computer shop, took care of a couple things. We're up and running, no problems. Got the car parked in the shade. I just gotta wait for it to cool off because it is insanely hot today. I mean, it's gotta be at least in the 90s. It's hot. It's really hot. So I gotta let the car cool down so the water doesn't dry instantly on it and then cause all kinds of problems. Once that cools off, we'll go wash the car. Right now, I'm gonna relax just for a little bit. I'm freaking exhausted from getting up early this morning. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. I really don't want to do this. I'm so freaking tired. But I've been sitting on this for a long time. Cue the music. Well, she could use some more work, but I'll take it. Definitely a heck of a lot better. I'm tired. Well, I completely screwed up. I freaking fell asleep. Slept for like 4 hours. That sucks. Like, it's good, I feel good, but I had a lot of stuff to do and I freaking slept and wasted all my time. Well, just finished the homework assignment that I should have finished a couple hours ago, but because I fell asleep, I had to do it last minute. It was honestly due in 8 minutes. It was due at midnight. I just hit submit. Gotta edit the vlog. We're golfing first thing in the morning, so I'm getting up at about 5:15. And I probably won't go to bed for another 2 hours because of the vlog. Should be good.